Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to our little community. My channel is all about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, fragrance content, and if that sounds interesting to you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload, so it doesn't go missing in the YouTube dark hole. Today I'm here with a very exciting video. So I already did a video on one of the other perfumes of this collection. Today I'm going to review Christian Louboutin's Loubiworld collection perfume Loubikiss. So it came in this box. I took it out of the box, you guys, and this is the gorgeous packaging as always. Like I said, I did a video on the Loubiworld collection perfume Loubi Rouge. I will link it up here. I did a whole video on that and I explained what the collection is and the thought behind it, the inspiration behind it and everything. Please don't forget to check that video out. I'm probably not going to go over all of that in this video. I just wanted to show you guys this perfume. This is another one of the Loubiworld collection perfumes. The collection has 7 perfumes. So I already have Loubi Rouge, like I said, and this is Loubikiss. That is the gorgeous Loubikiss perfume. I really wanted to get this one. Well, first of all, this is the white floral perfume in the collection, but second of all, look at that bottle, you guys. Look at that skull. Doesn't that remind you of Day of the Dead? It reminds me of Frida Kahlo in the movie Coco. It reminds me of that. There's a travel cap. This is there so that you don't have to, if you want to travel with the bottle, this ornate cap can come off and then you can put the travel cap on and then you can travel with it like this. But guys, I'm not going to travel with this bottle. This is really substantial. I mean, this cap is super heavy, but also the bottle is super heavy as well. It's not just the cap, and this is pretty substantial, heavy glass bottle. It's glass, so I'm definitely not going to travel with it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of it into a decant and I'm going to travel with my decant. That's probably what I'm going to do. Look at that cap. Isn't that gorgeous? So gorgeous. Even when I run out of this perfume, you guys, I'm going to display this on my mirror shelves on both sides of my vanity, so that's where they are gonna live. If you check out my previous video of Loubi Rouge review, you will see that I actually received complimentary a snow globe, a Christian Louboutin snow globe that's also red on the base. Oh, that's so gorgeous. So that and the Loubi Rouge perfume and this perfume will live on my shelves on both sides of my vanity. So let's get into the review. I can smell it right here before I even spray, you guys. Anyway, so I did spray this on the day it arrived. I will tell you more about it here in a minute, but I'm going to spray it today. I'm going to spray on my clothes and I'm going to spray on my wrist. So, oh guys, this is such a pretty, sexy, musky, animalic white floral. This is a very white floral, tuberose, musky, animalic, powdery, woody fragrance, you guys. Especially when you first spray it, that opening is just amazing. It's a very animalic white floral. It's not your grandma's white floral. You know what I'm saying? It's a very edgy, musky, animalic white floral. The tuberose in here is just very edgy. And you can smell the jasmine on the dry down a little bit more than tuberose. Oh man. These perfumes, I explained it in my previous video of the Loubi Rouge review. These perfumes in this collection, there are 7 of them, like I said. Each perfume only has 3 ingredients actually. There's only 3 ingredients in here. There is tuberose, jasmine, and musk. That's it. There's a slight woody note in there too. So there's tuberose, white floral, jasmine, woody, musk notes in here. I know the accords I told you, very powdery, kind of slightly animalic, kind of edgy, musky, tuberose, white floral scent. On the dry down, it's a little bit more subtle and pretty. Oh my God, guys, you know what I'm noticing? I sprayed it on my dress here and I sprayed it on my skin. They smell different. Yesterday when it arrived, I sprayed it just on my skin and it became a skin scent within like 2-3 hours. So it wasn't projecting very much and it wasn't lasting very much on my skin, but I knew this. I mean, I hadn't sprayed on my clothes yesterday. Today I did, but I can tell by the way it smells. Not only does it smell different, and I can tell this is going to last on my clothes. This on my clothes, I'm smelling like that musk a little bit more, and that tuberose is overpowering the jasmine a little bit more on my clothes. It's so interesting how a fragrance can smell different on the clothes than on your skin. This on my clothes will last a while. I know it will last a while, but on the skin though, I will warn you guys, it will disappear and become a skin scent around like 2-3 hours. I will update you guys up here when I'm editing this video how long it lasted on my dress. Smells a lot more edgy, musky, very tuberose on my dress than it is on my skin here. Smells more like jasmine on my skin, and the slight woodiness is there, but I don't smell the musk as much and I don't smell the tuberose as much. This is an amazing white floral. I love when you make a white floral edgy with musk and that animalicness. Kind of, you know what it reminds me of? You know, Narciso by Narciso, the white musk perfume. I will put it up here. That's what this kind of reminds me of. They don't smell alike really at all, but that's the direction this is going, and that kind of edgy white floral rather than, you know, your grandma's type of white floral. It also reminds me of the edginess that Alien has. You know, it's a jasmine perfume, but it has that edginess, you know what I'm saying? Slight animalic hint to Thierry Mugler's Alien. So same with this. This has a slight animalicness, so it's a slightly animalic, musky, edgy white floral. So yeah, you guys, I mean, I love it. Even if I didn't like the perfume, I would have bought this anyway for the bottle, because this is gonna live on my vanity mirrored shelf forever. You know, it's gonna be that beautiful pop of red, like, because it's silver too here, so my vanity is silver and it's mirrored, it has mirrored shelves on either side, and this with that pop of red and the silver, it's gonna look gorgeous. I already have my Christian Louboutin Snow Globe with the red base, and then the Loubi Rouge up there already. This is going to go on the other side. So I'm actually also going to get the Loubi King and Loubi Raj eventually here. Please let me know if you guys want me to review them as well. I think I will when I receive them. I'm going to give it a little time. This is a $300 perfume, guys. It's not cheap. So you want to make sure you get, you know, out of the 7 perfumes, the ones that last long and smells really good. I heard that Loubi Dew and Loubi Funk don't last very long at all, so I'm not gonna get those. Those are the least interesting ones for me, for out of the bunch. I know like Loubi Dew is like strawberry, very girly, whatever. I would love to collect all 7 of them, you guys, but they're $300 a perfume. So I'm gonna get either Loubi King or Loubi King and Loubi Raj both. I will review them eventually when I do get them. I've been very pleased with so far with the collection. I think Christian Louboutin just knocked it out of the park this time. The marketing, you guys, by the way, I mentioned it in my other video. The artwork they did for this perfume and the experience, I mean, it's an experience. Even buying this perfume collection on the Christian Louboutin website, they made it into an experience, and they created this artwork for each perfume telling the story. So I did mention, I will mention briefly again, this collection, Christian Louboutin created this collection based on his dreams and his experiences in his culture, his home, and all of that. It's based on his dreams. So each perfume has a story behind it, and I can tell by the ornate caps the story that might be behind it. So on the website, they created this gorgeous French looking artwork that illustrates each of those stories, kind of like hint of the story. And if you go on the website, when you navigate into the Loubiworld fragrance collection, when you scroll down on the very bottom, it has this quiz you can take that you know, it asks you a few questions and you answer them, and then it'll give you your best match out of the collection, and then the next 2 best matches. So the top match and the next 2 best matches for you. I thought that was a very nice, neat touch, and it's brilliant marketing, the artwork and everything. I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. I think this packaging, this bottle is just the collection, the colors, the bottle, the design, everything is just genius and fabulous. I think Christian Louboutin, as always, did an amazing job with the design. I mean, his shoes are just gorgeous. You know, they're known for their red soles, red bottoms, and same way I feel like he created like a signature look here. No other fragrance house has done this sort of bottle design and with the stories behind it. I think it's ingenious. Anyway, you guys, so I love this perfume too, and yep, it's going strong on my dress, and I am pretty sure it's gonna last a long time, 8 hours or more. I will definitely let you guys know when I edit this video in a couple of days. So yeah, I'm sure, confident it's going to last long. Anyway, I love the perfume, you guys. Let me know if you have any of the Loubiworld collection perfumes, any perfume out of the 7, and if you love them, if you plan to buy them. Let me know if you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys in my next video.